It has conquered America, Australia, whole world. One world, one market, one world, one system, one world, one leadership, one world, one team, one world, one family, everything, one world, one bonus. Everything is synchronized to one. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, DXN. How are you all? Really, it is a great journey. We are here today to celebrate 22 years of very long journey. It is not a short journey, 2 decades. I am very proud of all of you, whole Middle East, whole globe. Because while he was introducing me, Mr. Shebi told, half of the network belongs to me and my wife, who put one seed in 2000. It was a good seed, great seed. People ask me how you can have 8.5 million people, because I want to tell my story to you. If it is going to motivate you to change your own life. While I started DXN India, decided to launch DXN India 1999, while the reference came from my wife's classmate, who is also a medical doctor from Malaysia, Indian Malaysian, and he studied in India, MBBS. Similarly, our great CEO, great founder of DXN, is the product of India. He studied in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, near Calcutta, West Bengal, Dr. Limsyojin. He is also product of India. That was what attracted me to DXN. Because I thought that a scientist from Indian Institute of Technology may not have ordinary products. Because you know that a lot of scientists all over the globe, half of the Microsoft is led by Indians. Google is chief, led by Indians. So many, because they are all the product. Because I must tell you why DXN has grown so big, unparalleled, uncomparable with any other direct selling company in the world. It is mainly because of such a great scientist and brain, Dr. Limsyojin. Secondly, people like us. I was professor of economics heading the postgraduate center under Madras University. I was teaching MA Business Economics, post-graduation. I was HOD of the department. I was the vice principal, and I was about to be promoted to the principal. Then I would have been raised to the level of vice chancellor also. It was a very tough decision to touch a direct selling company 25 years back. Everybody used to think that this is some scheme, money circulation, pyramid, such a bad name to the sector. But I had a great love on this industry. I thought I must do something. Rather than teaching in the 4 walls for a small class of postgraduate students, I thought, why should I not make whole globe, whole world as my classroom? That was my dream before launching DXN India. My wife fell in love with Ganoderma. That is her story. Because product attracted her, business attracted me. And both the combination, medical doctor for wellness and professor of economics for financial freedom, these two matched each other to launch DXN. Rest is the history. I am very proud that today all the Crown ambassadors who are sitting here, it is not only Crown ambassador here, out of 63 Crown ambassadors in the world, half of the Crown ambassador from my generation, from my road. I am very proud of them, including Dr. now who has been recognized, Dr. Abdul Razak, and all these wonderful people, because this is the sector, industry, the goodwill, good thing, good values, good system, good ethics. It is very difficult to duplicate, but somewhere it gets duplicated if the company, everything is good. Because I have seen now I was so much touched by the life story of the footprints he left on the sand of history by Dr. Hassan al-Qatari. I think he would have come to India more than 10, 15 times or 20 times. I don't know. I have lost the numbers. How many times? Whenever I used to call him, he used to be there with me. He stood like a rock, a great human being, great values, great ethics. He has never compromised business with values or ethics, undermining the values or ethics. Most honest ever, one of the most honest ever direct selling entrepreneur whom I have come across in my life is Dr. Hassan al-Qatari. Because he used to discuss with me a lot of things whenever there used to be unethical practice anywhere in the world. Because people think that it is easy, they can produce so many people, thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people will join them. Why they join them? Why they join you? Why they join your team? What attracts the people to come and join one group, one leadership, one team, one mentorship? There must be something good, something great. These are the values which I learned must be duplicated, must be spread. The love, peace, happiness, freedom. I know that after India, my highest ever network in number of people, more than 500,000. I think nearing, it is 3/4 million members in one single country. Which country I have never visited? Which country has produced a lot of great leaders, good leaders in the Middle East? And which country still languishing with war? That is Yemen. I have never visited Yemen. My largest network after India is Yemen. Salute to Yemenis. They believed me. With the initial training which I have given here in Middle East, they are the people who had the urgent need to duplicate and build the business in the initial market. From there, it spread to many parts of the world. Now, even small countries like Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Omanis, give a big hand to Omanis, great leaders, great team. I salute the Saudi women because there is a very big team, great team, women entrepreneurs, women who want to be financially free, women who want time, money, security, and freedom. TMSF, I say, always in this industry. You want time, freedom, more than money, because time you cannot buy. Time you cannot produce. Time is limited to every human being. Money you can make. If you lose money, you can get money. The day which is passed today, this day, this second, this moment, I cannot get back, you cannot also get back. Time passed is past, but money we can make. I value more for time than money. Time is limited for every one of us. You want to do something in your life, do it before 40, before 50, but we don't know. If you are, because life has to go on, we don't know who will live, how long, we don't know. It's all His wish. And so naturally, while we are young, while we have age, while we have energy, we have to fight for our financial freedom. This is my vision. I taught that all over the globe. I taught the people to be free. I taught the people to have, time freedom, money freedom, travel freedom, health freedom. These are all the great values of this industry and DXN. DXN is for these values. I know that these values are required and must be acquired by every human being, irrespective of race, caste, creed, community, religion, irrespective of all this, every human being wants to be free. Every human being wants to have financial security. Every human being wants to, see that his next generation will continue with the legacy what we have done it. And this is the only industry where you are going to get everything if you are going to work in a right way. With the right system, right leadership, right team, right company, right product, and right time. This is the right time for you to change your life. I don't know how many of you are very serious. I know that people will come and wander in this industry. People will come and go to schemes, money circulation, pyramid, unethical practices. So many companies come and go. We are not responsible for that. And every law is there in every country. The authorities are there. They will monitor. But DXN-like company, and amongst the thousands of companies, even if I am not wrong, if I say hundreds of thousands of companies, one such company may emerge. The companies and leadership, management, product all match each other. Our vision, while I decided to quit my coveted job, it is a highly paid salary for my position 25 years back. 100,000 rupees, Indian rupees. It is a big money, big salary. To leave that and come to direct selling industry is not an easy task. Very tough task. Very difficult task. Nobody accepted me. My family did not accept. My mother was crying. Because you are going in a wrong direction. Why you must go to a coffee company as a professor of economics? My colleagues put me down. They never wanted to join me. My known people, friends, everybody laughed at me. Today, system is laughing at them. My growth is laughing at them. My freedom is laughing at them. Just a few days back, I was saying, this great country, this great United Arab Emirates, this country gives celebrities golden visa. 2 days back, I was seeing the news. One of the big entrepreneurs of here, all of you know, the Lulu Mall founder. He was receiving one of the biggest celebrities of India. In the cine field, Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth has been honored by His Highness authorities with a golden visa. He is a he is an actor. Pehle, Shah Rukh Khan got, Amir Khan got, all big people. And Ambani got. They all can get, and amongst them, my name, I have got the golden visa because of the DXN business. I am living with golden visa, 10 years visa. I am living with the investors visa. I am living in this great country. It has recognized me as a retirement visa, business visa, golden this entrepreneur visa. All these 3 categories they gave me. It is because of the DXN business. We have proven that this business works. It is not a simple thing to get a golden visa. I have made the investment here, 2 million dirham. And you can make that kind of money. You can be free. Because while I came to Dubai 22 years back, my dream, I saw this country, a great nation, 22 years back while I came first, for training, DXN after opening its training. My dream, while I got down in the Dubai airport, I was thinking, can I live in Dubai? As a free man, not as an employee, not for the job. Can I have my freedom here to live as I want? That was my dream. I was seeing the growth of Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, all these Emirates. Last 2 to 2 years, tremendous changes, growth I have seen. Then ultimately I thought I must make a house here. I must have the resident here. And Corona period I moved. After Corona I got, now I am here with my 10 years visa. This is what you can do. And where we can choose where you want to be, which country, which nation, which place, with whom you want to spend your quality time, along with the legacy. My children, every month they come and go, I can spend the money. Thanks to DXN bonus, thanks to DXN business. My son came and went, every month he comes. My daughter again came, last week she was here, there. What I am telling you is, I have never sent my children for a job. My dream was, I was telling while they were studying in high school and all, I told, I will make you free, you study well. Do whatever you want to do in life. That is your choice. Don't go with a begging bowl for employment. Be an entrepreneur. Be a business leader. Be a business visionary. What big business sector, big businessman, big entrepreneur can do, same thing we can do in DXN. That is the market, wellness industry, billions of dollars. But who will succeed? Only those who fight in the market, who will work very sincerely, honestly, and have the big dream to build wealth, create wealth for generations. I know that my children, not only my children, my grandchildren will never be poor. My generation, my great-great-grandchildren also will never be poor. I have reached that level. My dream is to see that so many lives will change. If I have touched every one of your life, directly or indirectly, I feel that that is great in my life. Today, I am working not few hours. I have total freedom. People ask me, company ask me, you don't come to office. Why you want it? Very hot. Don't walk, don't come. You are free man. Why you want to come? Company is asking me not to come, not to conduct meeting. I go by force. I say I must do it. Because I seeing the lives of many people who are working here, particularly middle class, lower middle class, poorer class, working class, Bangladeshi, Nepalese, Sri Lankans, many Asians, and many people who are there who are willing to build Arabs. Local Arabs have built a beautiful business. Hands off to you. Hats off to you. You have made the big lead to make a big revolution of DXN all over the globe. From here, Middle East, it has gone to Europe. You are a free man. And Mr. Hassan Al-Khatri, before I close, I must refer him again and again because he was such a great man, such a humble, honest, sincere, ethical, moral person. Whenever he used to talk to me, Professor, I want to make a house in India also. He was telling, because his dream was, because I want to be there. He loved so much India. He loved me, like all of you. We love you. We are with you. We are behind you. DXN is very strong. Go ahead in the pursuit of your financial freedom. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Go Crown Ambassador.